So this is our Vax Blade 24 volt head, and the pipe between here and here that looks a bit like this had a split in it. I managed to pull out the two halves, pulled it apart. At one point I had to pull sort of the wire and pull the whole pipe apart from down in the receptacles there and there, made sure there were no more bits left. So now I've got this bit from eBay for a £5. Sure, whoever's selling it makes a good amount of money, but it's done me a favour. Now to put it in. Okay, so we take off these three. Then this piece lifts off. Note which way round this is. So the red wire seems to be on top and going to this side as you look at it. I won't say left and right because mine will be different to yours. That just lifts off. This bit should just pull out like that, and then simple thing now, take your new pipe, screw it anti-clockwise into that bit. That's it. And then this bit goes through the middle there. Pull it through, and then anti-clockwise again. That's it. Push that back into there. That bit on there. That bit over there. I think I may have broken a little clip because that doesn't push right back. That goes on there. Screws in. Seems good to me.